Good morning, friends. We are about to make our morning coffee and Kylie's gonna make us something a little different. So what you gonna make?
I'm going to make us a cacao maca latte. It's a really great way to add some nutritional value to your coffee and make it all at home.
All right, let's see how it's done.
So I'm putting our milk in. I'm gonna make enough for like 2 for now, maybe like 12 ounces of oat milk. And then we'll put in our Okay, so we're using this brand of maca powder, and I am doing like a heaping teaspoon just straight into the milk. This Breville Milk Cafe you can put powders into, so you can make hot chocolates or different. Then this is the cacao I'm using, and I'm also doing a heaping teaspoon of cacao. Then I'm going to do a splash of maple syrup. This is totally optional. If you don't like sweeter coffee, you don't have to, but why not? Okay, so I have it on the hottest setting and you just turn it on and it mixes up. I can show inside if you want. And it gets it all foamy and mixed together and hot. You have temperature setting, we have it all the way to the hottest setting. While we're waiting, just a few benefits of these 2 items that I use. The maca powder is an amazing superfood for energy, hormone balancing, and it's really rich in vitamins B, C, and E. So I put it in hot chocolate, in smoothie, in coffee. And then cacao is also a great superfood, and it's rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and iron, and it's chocolatey, so it makes a really good hot chocolate as well.